Now, look here. Now, my dear student, it is the second video on quadratic polynomial, है ना? या you can say second video on polynomial as a revision chapter from my sides for your midterm examination. This video for class 10th in mathematics. My name is Rajan Kumar. Okay, now look here. Now, in this video I am going to select some important questions that has to become may become in your coming examination. Now look, if alpha and beta are the zero of the polynomial fx equal to x square minus x minus 2. So I have one quadratic polynomial, that name is fx. The value of fx is x square minus x minus 2. Okay. Now, we have to find another polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha plus 1 and 2 beta plus 1. Okay. Now, make me the clear meaning. One quadratic polynomial you have. Okay. What polynomial you have? From this polynomial you find the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. And that alpha plus beta and that alpha into beta, that you will apply to get another quadratic polynomial which roots are 2 alpha plus 1 and 2 beta plus 1. Okay. So from this quadratic polynomial, I just find the relation between alpha and beta, that is alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, and that relation I will use to find another quadratic polynomial where roots are 2 alpha plus 1 and 2 beta plus 1. Now look the solution. So it is a quadratic polynomial x square minus x minus 2. It is a standard form of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. For x square coefficient is a and here it is 1, a value 1. X coefficient b and here it is minus 1, b value minus 1. Constant term is c and here it is minus 2, c value minus 2. What is the value of alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So what is b? It is minus 1. The minus of minus 1, a is 1. So minus of minus 1 by 1, minus minus plus 1 by 1 is 1. That means alpha plus beta value is 1. Confirm? Now what is the value of alpha into beta? C by a. C is minus 2 and a is 1. Minus 2 by 1, that is minus 2. So alpha beta value is minus 2. Now we have to generate another quadratic polynomial where the zeros are alpha dash and beta dash. And alpha dash value is 2 alpha plus 1 and beta dash value is 2 beta plus 1. Okay? So here it is formula x square minus alpha dash plus beta dash into x plus alpha dash into beta dash. So in the place of alpha dash I just put the value of 2 alpha plus 1. In the place of beta dash we just put the value of 2 beta plus 1. So x square minus 2 alpha plus 1 and here 2 beta plus 1 into x, 2 alpha plus 1, 2 beta plus 1. Solve it. X square minus 2 alpha, 2 beta. From these terms we have taken common 2, alpha plus beta. 1, 1, 2 and here it is x. Now 2 alpha into 2 beta, multiply 4 alpha beta. 2 alpha into 1, 2 alpha into 1, 2 alpha and 2 beta into 1, 2 beta. 2 I have taken common, 2 into alpha plus beta. 1 into 1, 1. Now what value I have, alpha plus beta 1 and alpha into beta minus 2, we just put in this format. So x square minus 2 into 1, and here it is, plus 2 into x. 4 into minus 2 alpha beta value, 2 into alpha plus beta value 1 and plus 1. So x square 2 1 2 plus 2 4, 4x. And here it is 4 into minus 2, it is minus 8. Plus 2 minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. The new quadratic polynomial is x square minus 4x minus 5. Clear, my dear? Any problem? Now, second question. Second question here. Look here. What is the second question? Second question is there, if alpha and beta are the zero of a polynomial x square minus 5x plus k x square minus 5x plus k. Okay. Now here it is, one relation is given, that is alpha minus beta equal to 1. Alpha minus beta equal to 1. It is given. We want k. Find the value of k. Find k. So alpha and beta are the zero of this quadratic polynomial x square minus 5x plus a, and one relation is given, alpha minus beta equal to 1. We want k value. Now use the solution here. Okay, we know that a plus b whole square. Yeah, just find out. Let me find out. Fx equal to x square minus 5x plus k. And here fx equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, and here a not equal to 0. So if this quadratic polynomial have alpha and beta are root of this polynomial, then alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta equal to c by a. Clear? So what is the value of alpha plus beta? They have alpha plus beta equal to minus b. b is minus 5. The minus of minus 5 by 1, that is 5. And alpha into beta it is equal to c by a. The c is c, that is k, and it is by 1, that is k. Okay. So what is the value of alpha plus beta? Minus b by a. The minus of minus 5 by 1, that is 5. Alpha plus beta value is 5. Alpha into beta, c by a, the k by 1. Now use the relation alpha plus beta whole square equal to alpha minus beta whole square minus 4 plus 4 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta whole square equal to alpha minus beta whole square plus 4 alpha beta. Put alpha plus beta value is 5. 5 square. Alpha minus beta value is 1. 4 into k. Now it is 25. 1 plus 4k. So 4k equal to 24. Now k value is 6. This is the answer. Clear? And I have one quadratic polynomial. We just find the value of a, that is 1, b minus 5, and c k. Now find the relation alpha plus beta minus b by a, alpha into beta c by a. According to this, minus of minus 5 by 1, that is 5, and c by a, k by 1, that is k. So alpha plus beta value is 5 and alpha into beta value is k. Use this formula, alpha plus beta whole square equal to alpha minus beta whole square plus 4 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta value by put 5, alpha minus beta it is already is given 1 and 4 into k. So 25 equal to 1 plus 4k, it will subtract 24 equal to 4k, so k equal to 6. Okay? One more question I am going to discuss you. Look at this. Alpha and beta are the zero of this quadratic polynomial. The quadratic polynomial is kx square plus 4x plus 4. Kx square plus 4x plus 4. Okay, this is a quadratic polynomial. Now alpha square plus beta square equal to 24. Alpha square plus beta square equal to 24. We want k. To use this one solution, here it is. Fx equal to kx square plus 4x plus k, 4x plus 4. Now, according to quadratic polynomial, fx equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay? So a value is k, right here, a value is k, b value is 4, and c value is also 4. Now, find the relation alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, it will be minus 4 by k, minus 4 by k. So alpha plus beta equal to minus 4 by k. This is the relation number 1. Okay. Now alpha into beta, it will be c by a. C is 4 and a is k, so 4 by k. Okay, so alpha into beta equal to 4 by k. This is the second relation. Now we have to use alpha square plus beta square equal to 24. Here condition is given alpha square plus beta square equal to 24. From this relation I have to find the value of k. So what is the formula of a square plus b square? A plus b whole square minus 2ab equal to 24. Alpha plus beta minus 4 by k whole square minus 2 into alpha beta 4 by k equal to 24. Now just solve it. Here it will be 16 by k square, 16 by k square minus 8 by k equal to 24. Okay. If we solve it, 1 minute. Now here it is. Here it is LCM. K square 16 minus 8k equal to 24. So it will be 24k square minus, it will go that side, plus 8k minus 16 equal to 0. We just take common 8. So here it will be 3k square plus k minus 2 equal to 0. Just we have to solve. After solution we get the value k equal to, here it will be right, minus 1, and here it will be, just factorize this one, here it will be k plus 1, here you can say 3k square plus 3k minus 2k minus 2 equal to 0. So k value it will be k equal to minus 1, and if I take it 3k, k minus plus 1, k equal to minus 1, and here it will be 2 by 3. Look at this. Okay? So just use the relation alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta equal to 24, alpha plus beta minus 4 by k whole square minus 2 into 4 by k equal to 24. Solve it is 16 by k square minus 8 by k equal to 24. Just make the simple equation. 24 is k square plus it is minus 24k square. Okay. Now plus 8k minus 16 equal to 0. Just take out common 8. 3k square plus k minus 2 equal to 0. Make it simplify. 3k square plus 3k minus 2k minus 2. After doing this, we have two factors. 3k I have taken common k plus 1, minus 2 I have taken common k plus 1. So one answer is minus 1, another answer is 2 by 3. Thank you.